Today we're going to talk about the benefits of turmeric water at night. Imagine if I told you that there's a simple beverage you can prepare tonight that could change your life. And the most incredible part is that this drink is made with just 2 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. We're talking about turmeric water, and in this video, we're going to explore 10 amazing benefits of consuming it before going to sleep. So stick around till the end of the video, as the 10th benefit is sure to surprise you. If you enjoy this type of content, subscribe to the channel and join us on this journey towards incredible health and longevity. Benefit number 1, effective blood sugar regulation. The magic of turmeric unfolds before us, a spice that transcends time with its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Modern discoveries highlight its star, curcumin, which takes the stage as an ally in the mission to keep blood sugar levels in check. Curcumin's journey includes an increase in insulin sensitivity and a reduction in insulin resistance. At night, turmeric water transforms into a simple and effective elixir, seamlessly adding turmeric to your dietary routine. Benefit number 2, cognitive enhancement or brain function improvement. Turmeric has been extensively studied for its potential health benefits, particularly in boosting brain function. Studies have shown that curcumin can enhance memory and cognitive function, while also reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Drinking turmeric water at night can help you tap into these cognitive benefits of curcumin. Seize the opportunity to explore the realm of cognitive enhancement as you indulge in a nightly sip of turmeric water. Benefit number 3, relief from the shadows of anxiety and depression. Recent studies have highlighted the remarkable qualities of turmeric, revealing it as a promising ally in alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression. Curcumin, a key element of turmeric, along with other compounds present in the spice, boasts diverse properties, including anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and neuroprotective capabilities. Together, these synergistic features unfold into a comprehensive approach to tackling mental health challenges. Multiple investigations have demonstrated its positive influence on the nervous system, pointing to its ability to modulate inflammatory pathways that contribute to anxiety and depression. Furthermore, turmeric's antioxidant impact serves as a natural shield against oxidative stress, often linked to mental disorders. Benefit number 4, supports liver health. Beyond its aforementioned benefits, turmeric also plays a pivotal role in maintaining liver health. The array of beneficial compounds present in this spice, such as curcuminoids like curcumin, further intensify its therapeutic value. Our liver is frequently subjected to various stressors, such as toxic substances and inflammatory processes. This is where turmeric steps in, with its capacity to shield and support the liver. Curcumin, with its antioxidant action, serves as a protective barrier against oxidative stress, which could harm liver cells. Moreover, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to reducing inflammation in the organ, enabling it to function more efficiently. This anti-inflammatory effect may also be beneficial in preventing chronic liver diseases. Benefit number 5, contributes to weight loss. Incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine provides a natural ally in the pursuit of healthy weight loss. This home remedy has gained popularity as a support for the weight loss process, and its outcomes are backed by scientific research. A recent study from 2019 expanded our understanding of turmeric's weight loss potential. In addition to the well-known curcumin, a compound called turmerone was also identified as a key component in turmeric. This substance exhibited a remarkable effect in reducing fat accumulation and improving lipid metabolism. Benefit number 6, eases joint pain. Alongside the previously mentioned gains, incorporating turmeric water into your nightly routine provides valuable relief for joint pain. This benefit is particularly significant for those seeking a natural approach to improving their quality of life, even when faced with joint challenges. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties play a central role in reducing joint pain and discomfort. Curcumin, a notable component of turmeric, is recognized for its ability to modulate the body's inflammatory pathways. This not only aids in reducing inflammation, but also contributes to alleviating the painful sensation associated with uncomfortable joint conditions. Studies have shown that curcumin not only possesses pain-relieving properties, but can also have a positive impact on long-term joint health. It acts as a protective agent, helping to maintain joint integrity and prevent excessive wear and tear. Benefit number 7, enhances digestion. The inclusion of turmeric water in your nightly routine goes beyond the previously discussed benefits. In addition to stimulating bile production and its anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric can also benefit your digestion in other ways. It has the ability to assist in regulating the digestive process, reducing the sensation of bloating and discomfort after meals. This is because turmeric can facilitate food breakdown and enhance the absorption of essential nutrients. Thus, your turmeric water at night not only soothes the mind, but also eases the digestive system, promoting healthy and balanced digestion. Benefit number 8, strengthens the immune system. Beyond its impact on digestion, turmeric also plays a significant role in promoting immunity. Curcumin, along with other valuable compounds present in turmeric, synergistically strengthens your body's natural defenses. These components act as immunomodulators, meaning they can balance the response of the immune system, allowing it to function more efficiently. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, you are contributing to a more robust protective barrier against diseases and infections. So your turmeric water isn't just a nightly treat, it's also a boost for immune health over time. Benefit number 9, fosters radiant skin. Turmeric water also offers a gift for your skin. This beverage is like an elixir for achieving and maintaining healthy, glowing skin. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can help soothe skin irritation and reduce redness, resulting in a more even complexion. Moreover, turmeric is renowned for its antioxidant potential, combating the free radicals responsible for premature skin aging. By adding turmeric water to your nightly routine, you're nourishing your skin from the inside out, embracing an ancestral secret for a luminous and rejuvenated complexion. 10th benefit, combats erectile dysfunction. In addition to its already explored virtues, turmeric has a history of use as a natural remedy for a variety of health issues, including erectile dysfunction. Its potential lies in improving cardiovascular health, a crucial aspect of healthy erectile function. Turmeric can contribute to the dilation of blood vessels, promoting proper blood flow. Furthermore, its anti-inflammatory properties can aid in reducing oxidative stress, which plays a role in erectile dysfunction. Hence, turmeric water at night not only nurtures your mind and body, but can also have a positive impact on your sexual health, offering a natural approach to enhancing erectile function. Now let's delve into preparing turmeric water. It's quite easy to make, and there are 2 simple methods. Method 1, turmeric powder and water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups water. In a small saucepan, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and stir. Cook for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and strain. Add honey, lemon, or ginger for extra flavor. Method 2, fresh turmeric root and water. Ingredients: 1 fresh turmeric root, about 2 inches, 2 cups water. Rinse the root, grate it or cut it into small pieces. Boil 2 cups of water and add the turmeric. Cook for 10 minutes, strain, and add touches of honey, lemon, or ginger. Remember to consult a healthcare professional before adding turmeric to your diet, especially if you're on medication or have medical conditions. As we conclude this journey through the benefits of turmeric water at night, we hope you feel inspired to give it a try. From reducing inflammation and caring for your skin to enhancing brain function and aiding in weight loss, the benefits are remarkable. However, remember that it's not a magical cure and doesn't replace medical treatment. Were you already familiar with these benefits of turmeric water at night? Are you planning to start consuming it? Share your experience with us in the comments. Special thanks to those who have supported the channel by liking this video. Share this channel so more people can see it. Subscribe and check out other health-related videos. We hope you've enjoyed and found this informative and engaging video. Until next time.